Good morning, Facebook. Here we are in Rancho Palos Verdes. So, it's day 3 for us. Basically, we got one coat of finish on last night. So let's turn this around, take a look, see what's going on in here. We're already hard at work, but buffing off the first coat. You can see, got our guy here on the buffer, taking off every little thing. Let me go ahead and take you through this hallway. Bedroom. Everything looking really good here. This whole thing was like a dark, kind of brown, something like that. Some of the living room was really like an orange color. We buffed that out, got everything. In this room, we did a couple repairs here against this back wall. We had some wood, had some termite damage, so got everything all set here. It's the master bedroom. This nice walk-in closet here. Hers walk-in closet. But thing looks so much brighter, so much bigger. I swear this room doubled in size just from us doing this. I'm gonna take you through the living room next and kind of just show you a couple of spots that we had in here. Go through here. We could see this back room. It's already been buffed, so we've already buffed off most of the coats. First layer, just get all the imperfections out. But remember the first day I said there was some spots here, dark spots, and now they're not there. A couple of dark spots, been sanded out, but so everything looks really good in there. The place just pretty much opened up that much more, and we got 2 more coats to go, and we'll see what it looks like after that. Everybody have a great day.